Hi everyone, so in this video we're going to quickly review the test score section in the UC application. The test score section in the UC application has 5 subsections. You have AP exams, IB exams, the TOEFL or IELTS, international exams, and then you get to review it. So you're going to report all the test exams that you've taken and the scores. If you have any AP exams to report, you're going to say yes. Then you're going to click on add an AP exam. In my case, if you look down at the bottom, you can see that my exams have been completed. So I'm going to write in completed. I took my first one in May 2020, so I'm going to go ahead and write that in. The exam that I took is biology, so I'm looking for biology, and my score was a 5. So I'm going to say yes, I do have a score, and my score is a 5. Then I'm going to say save and continue. As you can see, I do have another AP exam to report, so I'm going to click on add another one. This one has also been completed. I took this one in May 2019. This exam is the United States history exam, so I'm looking for US history. I did receive a score, and that score was a 3. You're going to do that for every single AP test that you took, and you're going to report all of your scores. You can compare the AP transcript to what I reported. All 4 of my tests have been reported on the application, even the one I got a 1 in. And I did my best to remember the date when I took it, so it was either April or May, but I have the year on that transcript. So I went ahead and made sure the year is correct, and then I did my best to remember the actual month I took the test in. When you're done with this section, you're going to click on save and continue to the next section. So in this next section, you will be reporting any IB exams you took. So if you took an IB exam, you're going to click on yes, and you're going to say add IB exam. If you completed or plan to complete the full IB diploma, you will check this box down here. If not, then you leave it blank. If you don't have any IB exams to report, click on no, and then say save and continue to the next section. This third section is TOEFL or IELTS results. So if you didn't take it, you're going to click on no, save and continue to the next section. But if you did take it, you're going to click on yes, and you're going to say add a TOEFL or IELTS. Now you're going to click on whether you completed it or plan to complete it, the month in which the test was taken, and what type of test did you take, what was your registration number, have you received your scores yet? If you say yes, you're going to list your score for listening, reading, and writing, and if you say no, then you move on to the next question that says, do you plan on taking this exam? If you say yes, then you'll say when you're planning to take it. Okay, so you're just going to answer the questions. So for this section, I'm going to say no, and then save and continue to the next one. Do you have any international exams to report? If you do not, you're going to click on no, save and continue to the next section. If you do, you're going to click on yes, and then you're going to pick what exams you have to report. If you don't find the exams that you want to report here, you're going to click on other, and then you're going to describe the exams you're going to report. For now, I'm going to click on no, save and continue to the review section. So now I'm just reviewing that all the information I have here is complete, and when ready, follow me to the next video on activities and awards.